The next example will be how to add expressions, rational expressions with different denominator. So as mentioned earlier, we have to find the LCD or the least common denominator. So recall in our previous lesson that when you find the LCD here, you factor 6x, that is 3 times 2 times x, and then for 2x squared, that is 2 times x. You look at the common factor, you bring down that, and then another common factor, x. Everything that has no common factor, you have to bring down it. That is 3, and then x. Multiply everything, and that is the LCD. So this is 3 times 2 times x times x. The LCD is 6x squared. Therefore, the LCD here is 6x squared. So that is 5 over 6x plus 3 over 2x squared. The LCD is 6x squared. So you divide this 6x squared divided by 6x. So 6x squared divided by 6x, that will give you x times the numerator. So the numerator is 5 times x. Next, 6x squared divided by 2x squared, that will give us 3 times the numerator. So plus 3 times 3. So 5x, 5 times x is 5x, 3 times 3 is 9 over 6x squared. I'm going to rewrite this one because there is a dot there. I'm sorry, it's not 5x squared. It's 5x plus 9 over 6x squared. This will be the final answer because there is no common factor between the numerator 5x plus 9 and the denominator, which is 6x squared. Now I want you to try practice exercises number 2, and after this practice exercises, you can start your classwork in your MathXL. The classwork name is Addition of Rational Expressions.